Let's see. Andrew, any words of wisdom?
Don't eat Taco Bell.
Are those barber chairs?
No, those are bar chairs. Oh, they kind of like barber chairs, but those are bar chairs, I think. I like the banana seat bikes. Those are pretty cool. Do you want that dolly with the weird glasses? No. You don't like anything weird. I like that cookie bar.
I like that.
Oh, look at these frogs hanging out. Look at those.
The skull.
Oh, the skull's neat too. Incredible edibles. Cook up some fun. That's funny. Look at the face on the teapot. That's neat. There's some neat things in here. That's for your blue cheese. He must have been out early. All his stuff is wet from the dew. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's a tomato. That's cute. That's neat. I would have had this, huh, Jenny, because it's orange.
Yeah. But yeah.
Oh, that's that swan I just sold. Mine was plain. That one's a pretty green one. Oh, what's this penny pie? Look at that. That's funny. Cyber love.
That looks farther down maybe.
Oh, okay. That looks pretty in the sunlight. Doesn't that look pretty in the sunlight? That's a weird bed. Is that a bed thing? Or is that art? It's really pretty.
I love glass, so it's like a beacon.
Well, it is massive here.
That's pretty. That's really pretty. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, Jenny, look. Come here. Wizard of Oz? Right? No, Wizard of Oz. Yeah. Yeah. You can go over by Andrew if you want to be right there. Looks like Italian. It's a weird matte texture. Cute, look.
Oh, you wouldn't trade that either.
Well, what are we talking? No, just kidding.
It's a clever idea. They're propane tanks, like for the barbecue.
They remind me of Lego heads.
They do look like Lego heads. Jenny says they look like Lego heads.
There's the grandstand.
This dog is cute. Oh, it's a picture. Jenny, there's a picture. Stuff comes out of his mouth. That's cute.
I love these gloves we have.
When I very first learned about it, I was like, oh, I don't know how I feel about it. And then I started collecting and I really like it.
Oh yeah, it's so nice. And those are nice pieces because they don't have all the stuffing on them. I find got stuffing and scratches, and those are pristine.
Well, it was hard to focus on one thing. This is really pretty. I like that leaf one. This one?
Yeah. And the other one's like accordions.
You love those. You've lost your baby.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these hanging. That is really cool.
Oh, you're looking at that.
I'm looking at the globe. The bar is neat
Look
too.
at that one. I was looking at that one
Were you looking at the? What were you looking at? The bar. All right, Jenny. Enough hanging out with Jocelyn. That's really neat.
Hanging out with me too much.
That's
No,
super
that's
cool.
cool.
That is cool because you can hide it and then see it's a globe here. So then it's like a secret bar. That's neat. I really like that. That's really pretty. Oh, look, he's asleep. I have my kids on. You can see him. This is cute. That was so cute. That's so cute.
You have to add your own adventure.
Yeah, we were wondering if it's gonna be scrapbook. She guessed scrapbook. That's cute. Add your own adventures. I like that. That's fun. M&M's.
Big flea market by like where you're at, but I feel like flea market football.
It's a Jenny doll.
Can I take a picture? Look, I don't even know where my phone is.
Pictures will last longer.
Oh, that kitty cat's cute.
She was like, who's that? I'm like, the videos I show you all the time. I want a picture.
Disney.
tomorrow. Well, so. Matching earrings. Matching
Oh, and
bracelets.
matching earrings.
Oh, look, this is Encanto.
Oh, yeah. That's a cute idea. Oh, look at that. Pokemon
Raichu,
necklaces.
Chimichar, Pichu. Yeah, that one was called Piplup.
Is this one too?
That's Piplup. I don't know why he has that red thing on it.
Yeah. These are cool, huh? So fancy. Cool. You can change the thing in there.
It's kind of like the phone thing, but
Kind of, yeah.
look at those things. I was talking about those things though.
Oh, these necklaces here. Oh, with the stones.
Yeah.
You like those. Yeah. Those are cool. These are all the buttons that you can add to them.
Marvel, SpongeBob, some Frozen.
That's a fun idea.
Batman on it.
Wow, there's so. Oh, here, Jenny. Here's the Pokemon.
It's a yin-yang.
Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Look, Dave, here's some Pokemon.
I don't blame you.
You could put it on a ring. That's a neat idea. Yeah,
Now,
maybe.
depending on what ring you get,
Yeah.
some of them fit this, and some
Oh,
of
it's
them
smaller.
fit these.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Most of the bracelets take these.
Okay.
What you want to do is pick out what you want down here
And
first.
then you match it. Okay, I see what you're doing. That's a good idea.
Yeah. The keychains change purses, and these bracelets right here, only these bracelets are $5.
Oh,
And on down, everything's 10.
Okay.
Unless it has something with it, it's a little different.
George's too?
Limited our glass and swung bases. Yeah, everybody caught on to those all at the same time, and now there's this big push for them.
There's Woody Woodpecker.
Remember, you guys know because I watched this so much.
I know you did watch a lot of Woody Woodpecker. Oh, Jane, look at this.
Actually,
Paper shaker.
I got this one. Like, this is
No, I didn't have COVID.
Oh, it's so pretty. Jane, look at the e-turn, the blue one. That's pretty.
That's such a sad face.
so big and interesting.
Excuse me.
I would do 30 on him.
Oh, look at Dumbo Ringman.
I have a lot of hats right
Pass on him.
Dogs, those are cute too.
And like I said, I used to
You bought them all?
Any way that I can help you on this coming back to get your van or anything?
Oh, that's so nice. I really appreciate it.
Seriously,
I might. Which seems appropriate. They're usually painted there or on the side. the relief and cameo feels right. It looks like it probably is a 1, 2, 3 color piece, because you have the yellow and then the green that'll model, and then there'd be a clear layer. So it's either a 3 or 4 layer, which is a lot for a small piece of glass.
Very small.
Yeah. They did a lot of work on very small items, and that's why their stuff is so well regarded, because they would do this kind of detail if it was this big or this big.
Okay.
And so, yeah, Dom is great stuff. I think it's a really pretty piece. And tell me again how you got it.
I got it at Goodwill, and I had my contacts in, so I couldn't read it, so I thought it said Italy.
Oh.
And then if you turn it a little bit on the one tree, it has these little things. And I was like, oh. And then I heard my husband's voice go, it's only $2.99, just get it.
Well, and here's the thing. I think that's just schmutz. I think somebody was trying to, someone was trying to clean with something, and it looks like that's going to lift right off, so that's not going to affect it at all. And as long as you're careful about it, maybe use a toothbrush. You won't take, it's not painted on, it's actually fired in the glass, so you won't ruin it. There might be a little paint on the very surface, but again, if you just use, you can clean that up. And I would say when you do, you're probably looking at maybe a $350 to $450 piece potentially. Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited for you. That's great.
Aw, look at him. Baby Laurel making bubbles.
She was before.
I know she was. Oh, there she goes again. She's so smart. She's so cute. She's adorable. So this is the Hartman Rock Garden. And it was one of the things to see in Springfield, Ohio. You see what I see, Jenny Pie? The little houses. They kind of blended in, didn't they? It's like the perfect time of day to come. It's still shady, huh? And then we're going to make our way over there. Oh, they have Mary and Joseph.
Oh. And a squirrel.
And a squirrel.
I love that.
Squirrel hiding from us. Now let's see what this says. Hartman Art Environment, Hartman Rock Garden. Oh, he was born in Pennsylvania.
Oh.
He constructed every object by hand between 1932 and 1944 using concrete, metal, glass, stone, wood, and whatever else he could find. Seek the good in life. Somebody cares for you. Let us smile. Well, that's him in 1930. So here, Jenny, in the book, they have them numbered. Like number 26 is Tecumseh and Christopher Columbus. 27 is the Tree of Life. But I'm not going to make you go down and read everything. We're just going to look at it and enjoy it. Where should we start? Do you think we'll start over here and just make our way? Okay. Okay. We'll go to the right? Okay.
Oh, this is Ben.
Aww.
Oh, and now this is a Mary.
Mary, yes, because this is from the 30s and 40s, so this is very, very old. Oh, and they have more. Look, they have the Last Supper and the Saints. Oh, and Jenny, look at the owls on top of the wall there. A little pond. Oh, okay.
Me and my little stand like over a bridge.
Aw. Yeah, the moose. It's like, it reminds me of a grotto, doesn't it?
What?
Like a religious grotto, like with water and rocks, and you would have like
I
this
don't really
statue.
have that.
Oh, okay. The succulents in there is neat. What does it say?
Keep on this walk.
Keep on this walk, but we'll stay on the sidewalk.
Oh, look at that. It's a
Oh, a
castle.
bridge. Yeah, it's a castle. Look at that.
There's like a little bridge.
Oh, and then look up there, Jenny. Oh, above the door. You have the American flag on top. That's neat. What do they say on here? They have like words on them.
I don't know. Some of these are faded.
Oh, here it says, "Let us smile." Thou shalt not steal. Oh, is it the Ten Commandments? It's the Ten Commandments.
Forget your dad.
That's what it is. I think it's the Ten Commandments.
Well, these are kind of hard to read.
Don't break your mother's back. What does that say? Baby,
Your mother?
your mother. It must say in the book. I thought it said the Ten Commandments there for a second. Maybe not. Oh, look at the cactus. Oh, Death Valley. I'm always shocked when I see cactus that's not in Arizona. Like, how does it survive? Oh, Noah's Ark. Here, what does this say? Behold thy mother and don't forget your dad.
Your dad.
No place like home and mother. Oh, right, I was wrong. They weren't the Ten Commandments. It started out like the Ten Commandments. What does this say? Lead kindly light. Look, 1932. That's pretty amazing. I wonder how he did that, if that's like on a pipe.
Yeah.
I would think so. And then they're doing conservation and progress on that building there. We're going this way? Oh, that's where we came. And then we'll walk around that way. I'm going to go in the shade so I can see what I'm filming here. Is that a good idea? Oh, look. There's ladies in there. And it looks like they're soldiers. Maybe they're saying goodbye to the soldiers. This is very interesting. You can tell it's old though, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a teacup. Very interesting. Walk around on the other side. Looks like there's a little path here. We can walk real quick. There we go. Hartman Rock Garden. Oh, there's another conservation. Oh, it's Lincoln's cabin. Lincoln's tomb. Betsy Ross house. That's in Philadelphia. God's gift to the world is little nativity in there. Oh, everyone's back there. Oh, it goes back far. That's neat. Oh, I was going to say that looked like the Liberty Bell. It is the Liberty Bell. Landers Field. The Loving Cup. I'm going to go... And that's where we started from. That's really neat. It's neat that they kept it. You know, they easily could have just knocked it down. This is a nice yard. Alright, so this is Hartman Rock Garden in Springfield, Ohio. Jenny, do you recommend it?
Yeah.
I do. It's a nice little stop. Alright, now we're going to go try and find the world's largest cuckoo clock, which is a little bit of a drive. But you'll be there in 2 seconds. Hopefully that's filming. Here we are. We made it, Jenny. There, 1:30. Now, all we have to do is wait 30 more minutes and we can watch the whole thing go out. Here, grab it. Oh, there it is.